Hi friends, welcome back to BZU Science YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of sound by exploring the question, how do we hear sound? We hear sound every day and everywhere. Have you ever wondered how our ears make sense of sound? Well, you should get ready because in this special video we will reveal the science behind hearing. Friends, before understanding the mechanics of hearing, we should know what actually is sound. Sound is a form of energy that travels in waves. These waves are created by the vibrating objects. These sound waves require air or other medium for traveling. Our ears are special organs that can detect these sound waves and convert them into signals that our brain can understand. After understanding sound waves, we should take a closer look at the fascinating anatomy of the ear. Our ears are divided into three parts. These three parts are outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Outer ear is the visible part of our ear. It includes earlobe and ear canal. The main function of the outer part of ear is to collect sound waves and direct them towards the middle ear. After the outer ear, there comes middle ear. The middle ear consists of three bones. These three bones are hammer, anvil, and stirrup. These bones amplify the incoming sound waves and transfer them into the inner ear. At last, there comes inner ear. It is the most crucial part of our ear. It contains cochlea. Cochlea is a snail-shaped structure that is filled with fluid. Moreover, it is lined with thousands of tiny hair cells. These hair cells convert the sound vibrations into electrical signals. Our brain can easily understand these electrical signals. Now, we try to understand the basic anatomy of processing of sound in our ears. This process consists of various parts. Sound collection is the first part of this process. In this part, sound waves enter the outer ear and travel through the ear canal. While traveling through the ear canal, these sound waves reach the eardrum. When sound waves strike with the eardrum, it vibrates. Amplification of sound is the second part. In this part, the vibration of the eardrum are transferred across the middle ear through three bones. These three bones amplify the incoming sound waves. The most important benefit of this amplification is that our inner ear can easily detect even weak sound waves. Hair cell stimulation is the third part of this process. When amplified vibrations from three tiny bones reach the cochlea in the inner ear, they move the fluid inside the cochlea. As a result, thousands of hair cells in the cochlea will be bent. In the fourth part of this process, the bending of the hair cells transform the mechanical energy into electrical signals. These signals act like tiny sensory receptors. Auditory nerve transmission is the last part of this process. Once the electrical signals are generated, they travel through the auditory nerve to the brain's auditory cortex, where they are interpreted as specific sounds. Beyond just detecting sound, our brain plays a vital role in the hearing process. It not only interprets the type of sound but also helps us recognize and process complex sounds like speech and music. If you found this video informative, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.